simply just type GeoGebra on your thing, then you press enter. Once you press enter, you'll see this. You click on this GeoGebra app download. Once you click on the app download, let's say I'm going to click on it. Then you will see it brings you this one. Then you click on download. Once you click on download, then you will see here that it downloads. So it depends on which browser you use. So once it's download, so let me go and see, because mine is already downloaded, so I can stop this one and go directly to it. Then once it's downloaded, you open the folder. Then you do right click if you want to have it installed on your laptop so that you don't have to use the internet version. Then you click on this run as administrator. Once you click run of administrator, this screen will come. A screen will come. It says, do you want to install this app to make changes to your device? You're supposed to click yes. Once you click yes, you will wait for it. Then it will start installing. Yeah, once you click on it, you get this one, you click run. So another screen will come. You're supposed to locate it. It shows under the folder. So you click run. Once you click on run, you will see that this GeoGebra will come on your screen like this. Once the GeoGebra comes on your screen in this form, you'll wait for it to run until when everything is ready. Let me close this one. This is the old one I was using. So let's see while it's running. So it's going to remove the old one. So it's basically okay. Automatically it came. So if you want to sign in with your Google, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can just use it directly. Again, for this one, you see it has an option for algebra. It has an option for a calculator. It has option for tools, tables, the spreadsheet like Excel spreadsheet you can use if you want. Directly, if you want directly, just in your laptop, you click in there. Let's say I type F, and then I put a bracket X, then I write an equal, then I say X, then I type, you see X squared, then it gives me this graph. Then if you want to check, that is for graphing. You want a 3D, you can do a 3D, so it gives you the 3D. However, you need to just make it a, you can also type your function here. Let's say X squared plus, let's say Y squared, and then plus, let's say Z squared equal to 1. Oh, no, sorry, I think I made a mistake here by not exiting the, so it's X squared. Let's say here you type, that is X squared in 3D. So you can type another one is G of X, let's say equal to, I'm going to write plus 1, but then you see when I make a space, the space is going to be understood as a, so you can do X cube plus 1. So you see it draws both of the graph in 3D. So if I turn them in normal graphing, means that's normal graph. So that's the graph for f of x. Then I can just do also a graph for g of x. I'm going to type equal to x. I'll type plus 1. Then I put the cube here. Then I can come here and then say plus x minus 2. So you can see it draws the graph. It shows you the intersect between the two graphs, the x, the intersect on the x-axis and then the y-axis as well. So both intersect. So that's so if you want other tools, you just click on the other tools. You see all these tools I showed you earlier on. They are also here. Editable and images. Do you want to take a screenshot? If you want to include a table, then you just include the tables by adding, let's say let's say 3 column and then 2 rows. You can see you can include a table here. That is 5. Let's say I put those numbers just so you can see that it shows the table on which area that I'm interested in. So you don't need that. Let's say spreadsheet. So you can also have your spreadsheet going across. The calculator this is where you can make the changes. To go here, if you want to make a changes, you want to check the value, specific points, you go to settings. Under settings, there is this part here where this is the function. You can change it completely. If I put a 5 here, or if I put an x squared, let's say I put an x squared, let's say minus x, then there will be some changes. I put, let's say 2x, let's say plus 1, then I press enter. You can see that the graph changes automatically the moment I press enter. So I'm going to put a square there. and then say plus x minus 5. I press enter, the graph keep changing and changing. So this is where you make. So this happen here. You can make these changes here. So you can enter another function. You can draw 2 or 3. You can close this one just by clicking on that x. You go back to it by going to this one here. It shows you the grid and all the other things. You can open the settings that we just use. You can check you want the x-axis, the y-axis, you want to make any changes, you want to change the grid from this automatic one, you can make some changes to a snap grid, fixed grid. It's up to you. You want to check a special distance, it's all up to you. The basics, you want to put some colors. If it's red, colors on the lines. You see, you can change the color for that line to maybe if you want to choose the red color. So that will also be fine. You can see the red color on the x-axis. Alternatively, I usually always keep it in the black color. So I usually always use the black color, and I go to the most recent one. So that is all about GeoGebra. So let me try to stop the recording. That is if you want to install and use it directly. So that is another option you can use. Thank you so much.